Here is a J&P Kmart spinner, 42 inch, that I got from Dan Newman from Fanimation back in January. I just put it up just now to test. And yeah, I use the same tassel change. Same tassel change as the SMC, so yeah. Very hummy, because it is hugger mounted. But what do you expect? So we'll start off on low. And that J-hook is very close to the blades. It's got some scratching in the bearings, but none of my concern right now. Then we'll go to medium. Seems to be performing very well as far as air movement goes, but if this were hugger mounted in a house, it probably wouldn't be blowing as much air as it is right now. Granted, it is on a beam, and there is about a good 2-3 feet up there above the rafters. Okay, then we'll go to high. Doesn't seem to be wobbling all that bad. It's just loud. You can probably hear the bearings. And then we'll go on off. And then the light on for down. For speed down. Doesn't have much of a speed down. Like I said, the bearings have some junk in it. Next fan I'll put up would be the 36 inch, I believe. Heritage made by Tat spinner I got from Donald Root. But yeah, that's it for this video, and until next time.